Yo, what's up, YouTube? Just some quick Bitcoin technical analysis over here. Let's see what we can do here. Gonna run these fibs. They just got legalized in El Salvador, partly for the dip, I guess. I don't know. Buy the rumor, sell the news, I guess, what they were doing. So yeah, here we're doing technical analysis. So yeah, just like I was hoping for. I looked at it the other day, but right there, the 6.6, you can see zero point 0.5 didn't hold. So we came down to 382, and we're gonna see if the 382 holds. You can see it came under the 50 EMA also. Gonna probably come down and test. We'll see if we cut this right here, ends up making it up to come over here to the 382 and test that 200 EMA for a strong bounce, hopefully. You don't want to see it go under that 200 EMA. If it does that, then we're gonna see possibly 37. And if we see that, then that I would say that would be the low. We already got pretty much uh double bottom. Not really triple bottom, but maybe it might come back down and test this one more time. I've heard people say it will, but I doubt it. I doubt it. But yeah, so I feel like maybe this is the bounce right here. So if we come back up to, all right, look, let's do this to see what we're doing here. Why is it stopping? Why ain't it going? Right here to the top of there. All right. So where I got it from, same point as this one. They're the same. That line makes up all the way across. So boom, bada bing, bada boom, bada bang. Right there, 382. We already talked about that. And see right here, stopping it at 236. It needs to break that 236, that 47 to, let's say 210. 47 210. Yeah, it tested it, but needs to break it though and hold it. It really needs to close above it. Let's go look over here. See, nowhere did it close above it on this 15 minute. It touched it, but it did not close above it. That's what we needed. One of them 15-minute charts closing above it would have been good. And so that's what we need there. And if it can do that, we can see 51, 51 or 52. Come back and test that again and see what happens there. If that can hold, we can go back up, test 57. Let me see. Let me see. We already got something here. No. All right. Boom. All right. Down here, they're not really close together, so I would hope we wouldn't come down here. As you can see how close these two are together in this area, you know. So I possibly think since the 236 is gonna come back down to the 236 one more time. Lowest possibly to the double right here to 382. Yeah, that's my theory. Yeah, I say we don't see under 43, and if we break above 47, 210, and then next stop, if we break above 48, pretty much, I say we're gonna come up, have a little stop right here at the 49.5, and then yeah, once we get up there, these are gonna be the stops. All these double markers right there. It's gonna, but remember them 15-minute. Watch that 15-minute chart to see if it closes on top. But yeah, that's what I got for Bitcoin.